Today, we'll present this constant speed mixer developed and made by Nithons to you. As we can see, main body and mixer base of this mixer are operated separately. This user-friendly touchscreen increases ease of data view and test operation. With this unique anti-foam function, foam elimination process can be performed automatically after tests. Besides, overload protection ensures safety use of this mixer. To prevent slurry from splashing, the mixer always starts up at a low speed. Motor control made in America ensures stable and accurate rotational speed. Dual-cell mixing assembly, developed and made by Nithons, features better sealing performance and longer durability. This mixer is in accordance with API standard regarding functions and design principles, with automatic mode, manual mode, speed adjustable mode available. Different requirements on cement slurry preparation can be satisfied.